Do you ever find that you are going from 0 to 100 in terms of rage and anger without really any warning? I sometimes feel like this, and you can be calm and chill, and then vroom, it all escalates within a matter of seconds. Now, the ability to regulate the nervous system and help us to manage moments of high stress can be supported by our yoga practice. There are lots of tools and techniques in the belt of yoga, and today I'm going to guide you through just a couple in this short practice to help bring you back down when things are getting pretty strong. Okay, so the first practice we're going to do is our lion's breath. And this is a real nice posture for the body physically, but also there's a nice release through the mouth as well. So come onto your hands and knees. Bring your knees slightly wide here, and then your feet together, and bring your hands down on the ground so your wrists are facing away and your fingers are facing towards you. Let me show you from the side, and this position has a nice stretch for the back too. Now from here, we bring our gaze up towards the sky, so you're bringing a nice stretch to the throat as well. And then you open your mouth really, really wide, and you stick out your tongue as far as you can. And then that can be enough if that feels sometimes, but lots of the time people feel a bit silly here, but one of the things you can do is just smile at yourself. And then we'll breathe in through the nose, and as you exhale, you'll make a big roar through your mouth, like a from the back of the throat, out of the mouth, past the tongue. So let me demonstrate. Bring your gaze up, open your mouth as wide as you can, stick out your tongue, breathe in, and then close your mouth. You'll feel like a saliva. You can gently bring it down your throat there. Nice little stroke of the neck and swallow. And we'll do it again. Open your eyes, open your mouth, stick out your tongue, and then close your mouth. Take that saliva. It's got lots of great enzymes in it. Nice massage down the neck. Good, and maybe you feel a little bit better already. That's a nice one. Give the shoulders a roll, the arms a little shake, and then come onto all fours. From here, tuck your toes, send your hips high, come into your downward facing dog. Nice release here for the whole body. And we'll take the right foot up between the hands, lower the left knee top of the foot to the floor. Breathe in, nice big stretch through your arms. And as you exhale, cactus your arms, leaning forward into the hips, the belly, the chest, gaze up. Inhale, nice and tall. One more time here, softening in. All the way up. And on this one, if you want to add your lion's breath, go ahead. Softening in, open the mouth, stick out the tongue, and all the way up. Remember, you can guide that lovely saliva back down your throat. Tuck your back toes, lift the knees, step the right foot back. And other side, left foot steps forward, lower the right knee down. Big breath here, lift up. Exhale, cactus the arms, lean back, open through your chest. Inhale, lifts you up. Exhale, nice and easy. And one more time, adding your lion's breath. If you like, exhale. And all the way back up. Nice massage of your throat. Good, lean right, step that left foot back. And all the way back to the center here. One more little stretch. We're going to come into a squat. So heels down, toes turn out. Give yourself a little rock side to side. So you might already have noticed here we're getting into the hips, the chest, the throat. Moving all that stagnant energy around the body in a nice active way. Good, maybe sitting nice and low and bringing the palms together. Take a big breath in. And if you like, one more time, that lion's breath. Good, well done. Give your throat a little massage. And then when you're ready, bring the legs nice and straight. Roll yourself up to stand, and there you have it. Hopefully feeling much better now, much more centered, aligned, and chill. See you soon.